and we're gonna do a half, like a diagonal of the nail. Make sure you give it enough of the chamfer foil, and your lamp is cured properly. I say if like one day my lamp is dying on me, and doesn't matter, I plug in a chalk, it doesn't do what I asked for. So if your lamp is worked properly, it should chamfer every single thing. I was thinking this one even looks cool with like clear nails, like a glass nails, and you chamfer all like what is that? Sunflowers. I think it's plumeria if I don't get it wrong. I might be wrong, so help me if I do. I think plumeria. I don't know what type of it is. Someone over here with
Lotus,
our
you mean?
no lotus. I don't think it's a lotus. It looks like.
Lotus,
So I don't know. You might be no better than me, but it looks cool about something like. Sometimes it takes us to draw this, and then this so HD.
That's one from 29, is it?
Yes, this one is number 29, Nuna. It's really cool, and I love it. We have like how like just they have so many. Like this one too, I really like it. And I'm using this one for a set of my nails too. So I really, all right, maybe that. No, this one looks good. Maybe that. We see how it takes us, okay? I'm gonna lay it right here. Oh my God, it's not even chamfer. It's already chamfer for me with like no hesitation. I say, okay, Nancy, I'm chamfering it, okay? It's already come off. And then give it, make sure it's unrub it because it's had the veins underneath right here. So this might not chamfer everything. If I don't rub it, it's like, yeah, it's good now. Because sometimes the veins is get the crease in it. It looks good. Another piece. Just a little piece right here, chamfer everything. So, and also, if you really like this look, and for instance, if you don't do any crystal on it, you can turn around and then you can lay them like this. You can like layer your chamfer. I really want this one. Should I do this? No?
Didi, you promised.
Look at that. Everyone, ladies. Looks cute, huh? Okay, I'm gonna do 3Ds. Just for us to have fun with this. Sorry, I moved that. So what are you doing? Are you destroying this? Say no. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna select few this right here. Is my 3D. I get it from my collection of crystal second anniversary crystal kits. I love the bigger one. I wear big ones a lot on my nails as well. So I'm gonna pick out some of them here for us. And I am going to incorporate with should I do a fruit toe? Okay, fruit or flowers. It looks like a flowers. Can I get the flowers that look matching with that? All right, so for this 3D, it's really simple, easy, quick. Condensed glue gel work the best for the 3Ds, which is for all flat back and 3D. So to achieve really like easy and successful, oh, this one is sticky on it. Can you take this one away, please? So we're going to need, I think
those up a bit.
I'm going to pick up a good amount of my condensed glue gel, just about this. I'm sorry, Instagram. Facebook, can you see it? Okay. So about a good amount of like same size. All right, So you can see that. And you will pick 3 of your crystals. Make sure they are like really lean tight together. Right there. And make sure they're closed tight together. All the edges here, we can really definitely take care of it with the Precision glue. And I am going to flash cure it quick for 30 seconds to lock it in. Because if you start dressing up more crystal here and more like flowers here, you don't want it to running over and it's gonna be a mess. So cure for 30 seconds. And it looks good. It's all good enough of condensed glue gels. You want to make sure you get it enough, like the same size as your crystals. 30-second flash cure. It's really cool. I've been like using a lot of my anniversary kits right here. Hey, Liwiji, how are you? Good luck in your set. Make sure you to post. Foxy, thank you so much. Yay. Hey, Corina from Facebook. Thanks so much for tuning in. I love the product. I have almost everything now. So love products. I appreciate it so much, Corina. I'm so glad to hear that. We is really grateful and appreciate every single of you. We wouldn't be here without every single of you. So that's why the reason for us to be here and our teams will always support, because you support us and we really appreciate it. And we will continue to, with our passion. So now I am going to using condensed glue gels again. If you see me apply it, I'm sorry if you don't see, I'm going to show you right now. And now I'm going to blend it right here. It's really thick density. You see that I'm using so many of them and it's so worth of what you like doing. So if you are like shopping funds like with stuff at home, Facebook, it looks really blurry. And you can also find it on Amazon Prime for condensed glue gels and Precision glue at your convenience. So I'm gonna go ahead and using no wipe top coat. So if you're Prime members, you should get it in like 2 days. And I am going to coat this and floating techniques on the top of my condensed glue gel, which is I haven't cured my condensed glue gel yet. All right, so I'm gonna do this. Can I get this in the tray though? Oh, I get all the mixed stuff in there. Oh, I found those flowers. This is my mixed flowers though. I mixed, somehow mine got mixed up though. Oh, can I get a green? I don't care, I'm gonna get a green one. I'm gonna get a purple one. Right there. That's all I want. Because we don't want to cover that. My 3D. And then now I'm going to add some crystals on it. looks really exciting right here. So I was like quiet because I really excited about this look. I know I always love you can move it up, you can move it down, however you would like. You get in charge of that. And one of the things I like to do is the 3D is cool though. So I'm feeling it's all everything you're thinking of. If you want to feel really nice, the gap end, so it doesn't look really cool and empty, you can along with this. I'll bling this one out. And also, if you want to put the beads on, you can't. It's really it's really blinked though. And the closer you place your beads and your crystal, the longer it's gonna last, because they're really like connecting to each other, and it makes really cool chains. So it's never gonna even like break apart unless you like really want to destroy it down. This is another story. And I'm gonna continue. If you don't want, like, again, if the clients don't like to get beads on, which is totally fine, it looks so gorgeous still. But if it does, you can have an option. So here is some tip and trick for you to share with your clients and how you price right for your clients. If this designs, like, and it really depends on the salon location. For instance, if you have any question regarding to the price, how you price it to be fair for you and your clients, don't hesitate to ask, okay? Because there's so many different designs, and I will share with you every single idea. Which is, if the clients want to get the nails like this, how you're able to consult your clients and price them right, especially for all of you who is like really into it and really excited about this. So what it does, you're gonna do consult with the clients, like with this nail. There's 4 different techniques over here, which is we did the fusion inks, and we did chamfer foils, and we did crystal placements, and we did 3D. So 4 is different, and we did the gel painting too. So 4 different techniques right here. So if you if you're happy with this, I am going to cure this one for 60 seconds. So with these nails,